floppy system is shocking, bro. Like, when you put that on, I was like, should I jump out before I go deaf? Holy fuck.
Was it good? He actually does pretty good. He has that good commercial voice. He does. He said something like that on the phone. I don't know. He sounds like on the phone. Gibberish. He's talking real fast and saying a whole lot of nothing.
What? You don't like Ellen? Nope.
Ellen who?
Ellen DeGeneres.
Oh, she's a pain in the ass.
Oh, yeah. Jim knows already. She treats her workers like
I done seen y'all too.
She treats her workers like shit.
I mean, I'm not fond of her myself. That's why her show's no longer on.
Yeah, she got exposed for being a piece of garbage.
Yeah, congratulations. You played yourself.
I love talking to him. He's like, yeah, Jeff's assistant or whatever. Literally, he was like, I'm talking to Jeff's assistant. I'm okay. Oh. I was like, oh, yeah, she's like right behind me. You know what? I'm not even gonna play with him.
Big Daddy Derek's coming
You got the last goddamn in there.
I would have traded you, man.
Justin is. Why are you doing that?
I'm like, it's just was some in here when I went on first break. And I come back, I was like, damn, Justin must have got the last.
It was the only one in here. Like says.
Oh no, they killed Kenny.
That was like the line that got the show on.
One of my favorite ones was when he got served.
Served? Oh, you got served? You got served?
What is this week? Oh.
Put that in the freezer and remember it in like a half hour later, 40 minutes later.
Well, I was trying to get it where, you know what I'm saying, it looked like snow.
Yeah, yeah.
That's my favorite form.
You gotta start,
in the snowy life.
You gotta start doing that and remembering how long we left it in the freezer for how big the drink is, so we can tell each other. You gotta leave it in for 40 minutes, set an alarm. Summertime. I can't wait to sit back in the line. Watch all the fine bitches in the line. And they sip they wine.
Hey, you wanna clean my area?
I'm just picking up all the one shit,
Yeah, clean my area. You so sweetheart.
I try.
No matter what they say about you.
I know.
You're so sweet.
It's sad, but once I get home, I'm not going to take my ass down.
Dude, I fell asleep. Wait, did I fall asleep yesterday? No. Wednesday, dude, I
I went straight home and got on God of War.
Did? I know what they say. They say, that dude is so awesome. I wish I could be myself as much as he
Who
is.
say that?
I don't know.
They say who are?
They were like, man, I admire Justin. He just is always himself, no matter what.
Yeah, they say you such a good worker, so dedicated.
Did they?
You they idol. They look up to you.
Damn, I wasn't going that hard.
It's difficult, but I love it.
I like the imagery, graphics.
Well, I ain't gonna say it's difficult. It's some boss fights that's difficult.
Yeah.
It's not the whole game that's difficult, but
It looks easy. It looks like grindy then boss. That might be wrong, bro. I didn't. Yeah, no. When he said red, that's what I thought. Like Splinter Turtle. I heard that. That's right where my head went. Then what was that? The Casey Jones. He come out of the sewer with his fucking ski mask.
that movie comes out this year. No, I think it's next year.
What movie? Another one? Is it like
it's only one of them though.
Yeah,
it's only one. All the rest of them died.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
I want to say it's Raphael that's still.
No, I think it's
Leonardo?
Donnie.
No, it's not Donatello. I know for a fact it's not Donatello.
Yo, that's sick.
Because I know it's for a fact it's not Donatello. It's either Leo. I mean, not Leo. It's either Raphael or.
I bet you it's Raphael because
it's one of those. Because in the preview they show him with the staff on the back of him.
that's Donatello.
They showed his swords, so
Leonardo.
and then his nunchucks was right here.
Also, it was.
So I want to say it was. Which one that had the nunchucks? Mikey, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right, and then we're running out of room over here. You got room in your closet?
Do I have room in my closet?
Yeah, at the house for a couple things.
Yeah.
Okay, hang this up then.
Get to work.